Welcome back to all my viewers and all my subscribers, guys. Welcome back. First, I want to say a big thank you to all my viewers, all my subscribers, guys. I really appreciate you guys so much. Continue to support the movement by subscribing, liking, and share the videos. Now, today is Sunday, and we're back in the kitchen. As you know, Sunday is a rice and peas day for Jamaicans. So, we're back in the kitchen today with some rice and peas. Rice and peas and brown stew fish. So, guys, just come along with me in the kitchen. Just stick and stay and watch me as I prepare my rice and peas and brown stew fish. As you can see, this is my recipe for today. I have the fish, some scallion thyme, sweet pepper, tomato, garlic, onion, and thyme. With some spices over here, I have Maggi fish seasoning, allspice all-purpose. I have some pimento greens, Old Bay seasoning. Of course, for the rice and peas, I have my coconut milk and my green gungo peas. Now, guys, it's time for me to go ahead and prep and get the cooking on the way. So, guys, I'm now getting my fish seasoned. As you can see, some people don't season their fish; they just put it in the pot and fry it. No, the fish gotta be prepped just like any other meat before you fry it. I'm doing brown stew. What I'm going to do is fry, then I cook it down with my seasoning. So my fish are now fully seasoned. Fry the fish. So when you're frying the fish, you want to always make sure that your oil is well hot. If the oil is not well hot, the fish is going to mash in the pot. You don't need that. So my fish are now frying. And I said before, guys, you gotta make sure your oil is properly hot before you put the fish in the pot. If the oil is not properly hot, the fish is going to mash out in the pot, and you don't need that. So guys, I'm now prepping for my rice and peas. So I'm gonna put the coconut milk in it. I'm using 3 tins coconut milk. Add my coconut milk, and then I add my gungo peas. Again, add some thyme, some scallion, some boiling pepper. Don't forget your salt. With the salt. And the trick to the rice and peas is a little bit of sugar. So I'm going to allow my season to cook. Then I will put the rice in it. Yes, so my fish are coming on really lovely now. I'm about to put the rice in the pot. Stir it. Cover it, cook at low flames. Just freestyle. So my fish is now completely fried, and I have my seasoning prepped. I'm about to cook down the fish with the seasoning, but first I will let the seasoning cook for like like about 4 to 5 minutes before I put the fish in. I'm gonna put the seasoning in now. I have my seasoning in: sweet pepper, onion, scallion, some okra, tomato, garlic, some carrots. I'm gonna allow this to cook like for probably 5 minutes, then I will add the fish to it. I will now get ahead and add some fish seasoning. Maggi fish seasoning, that is. After I add some Maggi fish seasoning, not much. Okay. Stir it. Allow them to cook. Then go ahead and add just a small amount of water in it. Small amount of water, then I'll add some ketchup. Ketchup now. Stir it. After adding the ketchup, I will now go ahead and add my fish. After adding the fish, you want to use a spoon and get some of the gravy on top. That. And lovely, guys. That, guys, you could smell the seasoning, the scallion, the tomato, the scotch bonnet pepper, onion, the thyme, everything just combined together. Smells so good. I'm gonna allow this to cook for like about 5 minutes. Then it's time to turn off the stove. Now, my viewers and subscribers, this is it. This is my brown stew fish. Looking nice and lovely. Smells so delicious. Wow, guys, trust me. The smell of this menu is just amazing, colorful, nice and delicious. And over here is my rice and peas. So guys, as always, remember to subscribe, like, share, and continue to support the movement as I continue to bring some wonderful yardman cooking to you guys. And my Sunday dinner looking nice and lovely. Yes, Freestyle Nation, this is it. This is it. My Sunday dinner is now completed. Rice and gungo peas with brown stew fish, with some fruit punch juice on the side. Now guys, as always guys, remember, subscribe, like, share and comment. Continue to keep the movement going. Thank you for watching guys, and catch you in the next one.